Good morning everyone and welcome to Uni's daily update on Bitcoin and the alts. As always, I hope you're all doing very well today with this lovely range-bound Bitcoin at the moment. It was here, no, Wednesday, it was, there on Wednesday, the latest update. We're now here, well, it's almost the exact same price to be honest. We're still going to cover a bit of a smaller wave, I have some few smaller waves here for you. And talk about the alts and take your requests as always. But anyways, I'm just gonna check that the sound is working well first of all. Let me see this. Yes, it's working well. By the way, the sound looks pretty loud. It looks okay. Anyways, so Bitcoin. Let's start with, so we can get rid of this and keep everything otherwise. Yeah. So do we have any daily level? Sorry, yes, we have a daily here. Let's come back and, well, yeah, this can be removed now. Naked session path control. Oh, we didn't touch that yesterday? Okay. So 68,470. Let's take this one. Well, in any case, it's a bit too close to be honest. 68. I said what? 570. Oops. Can't remember. Maybe more 470. It was 4, I think. Yeah. Nice. And then we have no TPO and no DNPOC. Alright, we do have one. 68,000. Well, okay. Nothing crazy to be honest. Let's move this back to 50. Alright, so if you wish to learn this, by the way, to learn the order flow here, so this basically, if you are new here, for example, it allows you to determine if you have to, it allows you really to know if you have to take the trades, to press the long or short button, really. Again, it's not like a crystal ball, it's all about probabilities, okay? You're going to bet on the different data you have on this. You're simply going to bet on taking the trade or not, really. And this will, well, this is really helpful. Just to give you some example, yesterday, you can simply go check out really on the Discord server. It's absolutely free. So you can go into the Mateos update chart here, and I've made some summary there of the reasons why I was taking the, for example here, the long trade, and then I made a summary on why I took the short trade here. Just going to check this out really. You have some good information in my opinion there. It can be really helpful. With some screenshots and everything. But anyways, if you wish to learn the order flow, go and check this out. This will help you normally. We did do the lows here or not at all? No, we didn't. And we're bouncing with some longs more over this. Well, in any case, I'm not really looking for a long here to be honest. Like a new low, that'll be better. Or maybe we'll have done a new low with a wave, to be honest. Well, let me see. Nah, still not, so I'm gonna wait for this to happen. Alright, so anyways, Bitcoin. Here, I'm gonna zoom out a bit to load all the fixed range. Perfect. I'm really going to... No, I'm gonna keep this just in case. This, I'm gonna move it a bit more on the right. And then we're going to go with the support and resistance for the day ahead. So, resistance, we can still keep the one above. Okay, that was shared yesterday on the Discord server. Well, if we rise here, we can of course look, so the first resistance is not this for day traders. We can look simply here, so for example here, the downtrend fixed range. So we can pull this from the top. Well, for now the low is not on the right, but it might change next if we manage to make one more new low here. So like this, and for example here, there we go, we can look simply for a swing failure pattern or a failed auction of this. We just need to wait for the high here to be taken, and we'll see there what's happening. We'll have the 50% there too, and if we manage to get acceptance above here, there is no resistance really until well, the above resistance. Yeah, definitely. So yeah, if we manage to get acceptance here above this top with no swing failure panel failed auction, we're simply going to look for a nice rise into this target we've rejected yesterday night, by the way. So daily up to the naked session path control, we of course have some few swing failure pans there to be aware of. Okay. Sorry, if we manage to get acceptance above this, we're simply going to look for the next top really to be taken. So to speak here, that will be for a swing failure pan or a failed auction into the resistance here. If there is no reason to short on the order flow, we're simply going to look for the next high to be taken. So this one here, again, it's exactly like this. We have a top, we have a resistance close by, we have a top, we have a resistance close by. We just need to trade it as a swing failure pan or a failed auction. Swing failure pan for people that are coming here and are new, or maybe new to trading. Swing failure pan, you just get, you just make, so I move above the previous high and you come back down directly, you close below the previous high and you end up really with a wick above the previous high only. Now, this is a swing failure pan. A failed auction is when you get acceptance really above, you spend some time, and here on the order flow you start forming something really bearish. Okay, for example, you start getting a massive amount of longs, such as, just to give an example, yesterday. Okay, on the very top here, this was really into a resistance, so into this red square here. On the very top, you've got 10 million of new longs opening into this candle here, right into this resistance, the resistance was looking for. From here we get a bit of a drop, but this is not bearish. We have a decreasing of the open interest, so this is there is no shorts really opening from here, so this was not bearish. Here we get some few longs coming in. You can see there are some more longs opening. We get a bit of a drop, some more longs opening. You can see here 1.7 million, some more longs, and this form this time absorption. So all the longs here are getting absorbed. You can see it here. You have this very nice high, higher high, higher high, but we have a high, lower high, lower high. Okay, high, lower high, high, higher high. So we have a divergence. It means that we have some limit shorts absorbing all the longs here. So after you've got this, the big longs coming in, the first drop wasn't bearish, so the first step is to look for a retest. Is a retest bearish? Yes, you short. If not, you look for a new high. Here's a retest. Well, you have some bearish data because you have some longs getting absorbed. The only thing you need to wait for here is the shorts next coming in. We've got the shorts, you can see here. This is a short entry. And so this, for example, is a short reaction. Bearish data, really. And so, well, you could get the very nice short trade. So this is just an example. To understand really what will be the bearish data. So if we do, for example, here a failed auction in there. So yeah, swing failure panel failed auction again. We have exactly the same for every single top, by the way, because if we do break this with no swing failure panel failed auction, well, we can zoom out here, and again, what do we have? I'm just gonna zoom out a little more to load all the fixed range. So we have a top with a resistance just close by, so swing failure panel failed auction. A top with a resistance close by, swing failure pan failed auction. And again, if we zoom out here, we have another top, a third top here with, again, a resistance close by. So we just have to look for a swing failure pan or a failed auction. That will be a really big one if we have to do a failed auction here, but still something possible. And again, we just need to trade this based on the reaction on the order flow. So these are the three main resistance really we'll have above. Now, if we have to talk about the support, what is this? Alright, well. So well, on a lower time frame, we do have so this very nice. This was posted again yesterday on the Discord server. That was the biggest support really. Value low 6.86%, and well, when I came back from eating, we got a really nice bounce from here. So yeah, it was the 6.86% plus the latest uptrend, latest uptrend value low right there. You can see that there are low swing failure pan more over there, so it stops some more longs. And you've got today by the way a new DNPOC here, so just below here, so that's pretty cool. Just gonna set on that so I'm aware of when we take the low, because that can end up with a swing failure pan there if we get the sideways down, for example. But yeah, so this is the first support really for the day, for day traders. If there is no reason to long here, we don't get any good bullish data, we can look for the next target, new daily level plus a naked session path control. Oops, I moved this. If there is again no good reaction in there, no bullish data on the order flow, we can simply look for the next target. Well, the next target is simply a swing through part of the low right here. So we have many lows to take. That one here, that one here, that one here. We have some, yeah, we have 3 lows there, and again we have the next MYRO bottom there to take. But yeah, 3 lows here to take if we have to do a swing through panel failed auction. If again there is nothing here, we can simply look for the next zone of support, so to speak. We can look for the, well, swing through panel failed auction of this low really. Don't forget here, the main support was, again gonna zoom out to load this, was so this. We already got a bounce from that target. Okay, we've got a bounce from here. Now, nice. Really big square. There we go. This is a support still. Now, as always, we can do a complex level approach of this. So if we have to make something complex, we can go, for example, below the support and go touch the next one. For example, here's the small one here. Flip to resistance, trigger some few stop loss down there, and manage to reclaim, flip to support, and come back up. This, for example, is a complex level approach. But again, by reading the data, you can recognize or not if you have to take the trades, and all of this really. Okay, you can learn this on the website too if you want. But yeah, that will be simply if we go below and get a bounce from this swing through panel here, that will be a complex level approach of this first support really. Okay, now if we don't get this complex level approach, we're simply going to look for the second green square, simple as that really. So it's starting really from this latest uptrend path control down to this, well, weekly level really, okay, with a 6.86% and all the confluence really, TPO daily level. But yeah, that will be really the next target, the next big zone of support. And again, if we do something a bit more complex, a bit more tricky, we can go just below the support, swing through pan all the lows and manage to reclaim really quickly. Okay, I don't have an example, well, just like this for example. Okay, we have some few lows there to take. We go take all the lows really quick and we manage to come back up directly. Okay, that can happen for example here because we have some few, okay, this one has a low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low. We have many lows there to take, so many stop loss below. They can be cool. And again, if we start breaking this, we can look for the TPO below, but if we really don't manage to reclaim that bottom here from that TPO, a new low should be made, to be honest with you. Okay, so yeah, for now we're going to stay with this. The chart is terribly, it's just terrible right now. There are way too much levels, but well, this is for day traders and also with big support, so more swing traders. But anyways, mix of both, they'll do the job. Yeah, so we're done with the levels, now with the waves. I was tempted to share that yesterday because I've got discount yesterday. I was looking at this, but to be honest with you, we have too much configuration here, so didn't post it down. Just posted here the ABC zigzag of the 5 ways down next. Well, to be honest, because now we've got the rise here. To be honest, the triangle idea looks well. This will be. I mean, this is definitely something I'd be aware of now. As we've got another rise, this is still holding on the RSI. A, B, C, D, E, so one more move down, and then we can look for a nice rise. So we might get a long trade from here. Well, I'm gonna go on this one there. I'm gonna go here and bam. You know, it was the idea from Anton. It's here. There. This triangle. The thing is, we missed the resistance there. Well, we missed that, but to be honest, I think it depends on the time frame, because for example, if you start going on the the 4s and you place it from the even like this, it's missed. Well, to be honest with you, this is absolutely valid because the RSI is following. We don't, for example, here we have the same stuff there. Okay, we have the A, B, C. We'll get, so this will be a D, maybe a bit of a longer D, but I don't want to see the D wave breaking the B wave top on the RSI, and then the E wave. And so once we've done the E waves, that will be really into one of these two targets. Well, it's going to do this. Okay, we'll get a real breakout. So for example, you can try to long on the support, depending of course on the data. So we can get this really up to possibly a new high. Okay. And otherwise you can, if you prefer, if you miss for example this one because you're unable to be on the chart, or I don't know why, you can wait for example for the breakout of this. So you come back below, you break out, and the problem is here, it's not all the time that this is happening. It depends really. It's sometimes there is a retest, sometimes not. You can wait for a retest, flip to support, see if there is any good bullish reaction here on the order flow, and from here you can write another increase in price. That can be the second entry for the long trade if we manage to get such configuration. Really, that'll be the way to trade it. But yeah, that will be in any case into one of the two targets here we have planned. So yeah, watch out here. It may be better to place some few alerts and go and check out the data live in the time. But yeah, this is absolutely. Can this be 5 waves before? Because the next wave cannot get a triangle. So for example, we cannot be here with the next wave with, for example, a triangle like this, A, B, C, D, E. But if the count is wrong, and this is, for example, a 5 waves, it means that this is an A, B, C, and so we can get a triangle for a bearish count. So I'm just want to verify if we can get 5 waves in there. Well, I mean, no. Well, it's not impossible, but I mean, the count will be terrible. Really, if these have to be 5 waves, there'll be a wave 1, 2, 3, 4 here, and then a wave 5. We go and bounce from the max target to 618. But I mean, look at these 5 waves. I mean, this is crazy if these are 5 waves. This is really crazy. When you think about it, you really learn, when you learn the theory, you learn it like a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this. I mean, if now it's this on the chart, I mean, look at that, this is terrible. Yeah, this is really terrible. Well, it's not impossible we have the 5 waves, but I'd say it's a bit less probable. Now, the problem is, if we do have the 5 waves, well, the thing is now we can get in that case. Okay, okay, that's the reason why. An A, B, and then a C here to the downside. So again, the order flow is extremely important to determine this line in the time. But the thing is, here in that case, we have an A, B, C. We are going to do the bounce for the wave, and instead of getting a massive increase in price, we're going to reject, for example, if we manage to go below here and do the, well, for example, bounce from here or bounce from the lower target here, we're just going to go, for example, for a swing through pan of this or a failed auction and drop. As simple as that. Just gonna change the color, well, like blue like this. Okay, so that will be basically this for the bearish wave count. There we go. So bounce for the D wave into one of the two targets we have planned, and then retrace. That'll be really from the swing through pan or a failed auction. But like a bit lower, to be honest with you, for the D wave, that will be cool. So yeah, that will be the bearish wave count, and we've got the bullish wave count. Yeah, this is really also something possible, a bit less probable due to the 5 waves first, but I'll be aware of it. As always, we have to be aware of everything as a trader, so we better plan this. And for people maybe thinking like, yeah, but now the thing is you plan it up and down, so what we're going to do? Well, the order flow is your best friend for this. We plan some targets, we plan some waves to predict the next move, and then we just have to trade the reaction into the targets. And if we, for example, if we take a long here, we do the move down, we manage to get a long entry, we just have to, so either, as you understood, so E wave down, E wave up, and we then get a drop for the bearish one here, okay? E wave up and then get a drop, either a massive increase in price for the breakout, and so that was an A, B, C, D, E, like that. It all depends what if we get any bearish data. For example, if we take that top here, so a swing failure panel reflection, if we don't manage to get any swing failure panel reflection, it's gonna push higher a lot more normally. That's it, really. So yeah, that'd be the main count, to be honest with you right now. XY, well, due to the RSI for now, I'm gonna take the triangle, to be honest. I wanted to take this first before to go live, but well, check out the RSI and this looks pretty good, to be honest. So yeah, that's the plan really for Bitcoin. Let's go now on the outs really quick. I mean, really quick, no, not really quick, but anyways. Let me just pop out the chat, pop out this. There we go. Live chat, because otherwise I cannot see everything. And let's reload it, so it's on the bottom. Again, live chat, perfect. So good morning to you all. KP, TX20, what the figure is the name? If these are some stocks, I'm not doing stocks, mate. Good morning, mate. Good to see you here. And again, thank you so much for your message. You're a legend, really, for saying this all the time. Alright, so it was KP. I can't remember if I've got some TAs on this. By the way, yesterday I've moved it 2 channels into here, the older TA, Sia Coin and Hex, because I don't want it to get this. I don't want to get this into the main channels, really. I'm not trading this. I don't know why I added Hex first of all in there, but yeah, anyways, let's just move back up here and let's see if there is, okay. Oh yeah, I remember. Let's see how far this went. First of all, maybe I'm gonna cover my coin really quick. I mean my coin, just, the coins I'm trading right now, really quickly, and then I'm gonna go with your request. It's not going to be too long, no worries. So first of all, we've got this JASMY long trade setup that was planned. So it was on the, well, in the daily updates as always, and on the Discord server. Really, it was basically the long. So it was not only from here. This was really posted yesterday at night, by the way. And this was really all this rise we have planned, if you remember good. So we talk about a nice 33% increase in price. So it was simply that one. You've got the pink wave 5 long setup there. See from the wave 4 target. We've got this very nice, absolutely nice increase in price. And from here I just spent some few time for the smaller waves. Wasn't too complex, to be honest with you. When you start being in the impulsive, it's really easy. So you've got this wave 1, 2, 3. Shorted that, no, by the way, if you did a long, shorted, just a quick move down here, then we've got stopped after take profits, all good. But in any case, blue 5 waves in one of the 3 fibs really, then retrace for the wave 4. So I posted the wave 4 here, retracement, wave 4, and from here we've got a nice bounce this morning, waking up in nice profit. So 2 longs, I didn't close that one by the way, but I might close it. In any case, this was the first take profit really, 1618 to 618, the second take profit. So we've got this lovely bounce from this wave 4 bottom, and now we are almost done with the 5 waves. We can remove these squares there, we don't really care, to be honest with you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, it will be cool to make something a little bit bigger here, not gonna lie, but well, it all depends on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is not ready for a bounce. It's not going to bounce and continue higher. It's gonna just continue more down. Here, if we have to make something a bit more bullish, we can look for a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, an extension really into the green wave 5, so to speak, here, that one. Okay, into this green wave 5. We can look for an extension, but yeah, for this to happen, we need to see Bitcoin being bullish. Yeah, if we push her here, we'll have this 1618, otherwise 2618 with a bigger ping wave 5 to 6. Well, we can look for a nice drop into this target, so to speak, if I can catch the top. There we go. And now the thing is, where is the bottom? wave 4, and we can add 50% because these days we like to go there. Let's move this 350 a bit more, and then we're done with this, and we'll have the target really. Let me just get rid of the 0 here. Nice. Alright, so if we have to make the wave 4, well, this is a target really, and then we can look for another increase in price for the wave 5, and normally with a new high to be made. And the thing is, once we have done this, well, be careful, because next it's a high time frame wave 3 top, so a big wave 4 next coming in, really something possibly big, or a C wave top. If this is a C wave top, we're going to do a really massive crash next. Again, it all depends of Bitcoin. But yeah, in any case, this right here is the full buy zone. Just gonna remove the targets there because that was the by the way, I hope I removed the limits down here. Let me check that really quick on my phone. Wait, just a second please, because I'm just gonna add the post screen. I need to go in on the trading account. So just 30 seconds and I'm back. Alright, all good, I already removed the limits. Pretty cool. So here, yeah, this is a buy zone, so next we can look for this increase in price. So JASMY were done. I was also trading, well, only JASMY yesterday. I can't remember what I was trading. JASMY, yes, only JASMY yesterday. And just let me see here what we have. Ethereum, we have a nice possible trade setup with a wave 4. Yeah, with wave 4 here, we just have the buy zone, already got a bit of a bounce, but to make something a bit bigger, to be honest, will be cool. So yeah, this is a buy zone in any case. This can be removed now. And well, for now this can be removed too. Sorry. Yeah, this is a buy zone in any case. And then, well, if we're really super bullish, for example, on Bitcoin, that can be a wave 1, 2, and another wave 1, 2, and then bam, 3, 4, 5, and 3, 4, 5. But yeah, for now it will be just a wave 5, to be honest with you. Not gonna be super crazy bullish like that. So yeah, wave 4, 5 next, possibly to ride. Again, there is a long to take if and only if Bitcoin is ready for a bounce. If Bitcoin is not bouncing, there is no reason to long this. Core is coming into our target here, okay, into our support, but again, for our bounce here to occur, we already got a nice increase in price from the upper part of the target, but now we are back in, and for a bounce on this, I would like to see Bitcoin being bullish, okay? If Bitcoin is not bouncing again from any of these targets, there is no reason for me to take a long trade on this. I'm just gonna let it go, it's gonna drop more, simple as that really. But if Bitcoin managed to get a nice long trade setup, there is a long trade setup on everything really, because everything is going to follow. So yeah, this is still a possible valid one, but again, I will wait for Bitcoin to be ready for a bounce before to take this. FLOKI, well, I'm not really interested, to be honest, within this. I say that to profit on this, I, well, fully closed it, by the way, personally. Well, yeah, that's it really, nothing more. And we are, well, not first support yet. Just my done, core, yes. MX, well, still into the buy zone here. People, what? Oh, we've planned some, okay. Completely forgot about this target there. So people, yeah, okay. Well, I'll take a longer way forward, but I guess it's not valid anymore on the... still for now. It's still okay. Well, let's take this. Just a bit of a longer wave 4 here. Let's remove the turret for the moment of the wave 5. And so, well, yeah, wave 4 here still. This is a buy zone, but again, watch out on the RSI. Okay, this is... Oops. This is a buy zone, but yeah, I don't want to see the RSI breaking the wave to bottom there, otherwise it's not valid anymore. Again, we need to get some kind of close, okay, to really confirm we are below the wave 2. Otherwise, this is just, for example, a massive red candle, and we come back up directly. This won't be a close, and we will manage to reclaim this price low. So yeah, and again, for this to happen with the wave 5, I want to see Bitcoin bullish, also from, well, get a long setup really from any of these squares. Then PEPE coin, we went exactly into our third support we was looking for in the update for day traders. This is pretty cool. So we've got a nice 11% drop. PEPE coin here. Well, yeah, since I already sold the top, this is pretty crazy. Literally sold everything here in the first move down here. Absolutely crazy. But anyways, so here, first support really was this below. If we didn't have to get a swing for a pound or a fair auction of this into this value high below this price low here, nothing in there. So we go below into our target. That was really this. You can see here, daily with a weekly negative power function, the power function of the latest uptrend, and we got a lovely bounce. We talk about, well, 10% rise, and now even more by the way than this. Well, 15% increase in price is absolutely crazy for day traders. So pretty cool. First bounce from here. Now the thing is, these are the way we have to the downside. It was either an ABC zigzag down, either an impulsive. Now the thing is, we didn't, well, the wave 4 is pretty massive, I'm not going to lie. If this have to be a wave 4, well, it can still be possible again if we manage to get anything bearish in there on the order flow. I don't know what have a look at the order for right now. So if we get something bearish of this, that can bring us with a wave 5 next to the downside. If we get a 5 waves down, so to speak, a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we have 5 waves, well, we simply look for a longer, so bigger 1, 2, 3, or 5 massive crash, or more likely for the moment, an A, B, C zigzag. Okay, so 5 waves correction, 5 waves. Now the thing is, if we don't manage to get anything bearish to get this wave 5 down from that wave 4 target, we're simply going to push higher. Okay, because for example, Bitcoin is not retracing much. So if we do this, well, it simply means that we have not a 5 waves down, not this, but we'll have an ABC zigzag, so 5 waves correction, 5 waves. If we have this, well, depending on Bitcoin again, because if Bitcoin, for example, is massively bullish, we can get a new high. Okay, but for example, we can get, so here if we have an ABC, we need to retrace more for the bigger wave 4 really to go below here into the buy zone. If we have to do this, we're simply going to make, for example, a bigger W. I'm just gonna get rid of this. So W, okay, a next wave. Oops, I'm gonna make this a little bit bigger, perfect. And then a bam, Y wave to the down. So for example, here we've got some 5 waves up, so A, B, C. Okay, and then we come back down like this. If we have to find some few resistance there, let me just do this real quick. Let's go on the levels. I'm gonna go on the PEPE coin templates there, and not the stuff here, but here, perfect. So we can see if we have anything really new. So monthly, well, no. Weekly, no. Daily. All right, nice. One hour, yeah, they'll do the drop. Let's go here, see if there is anything. No, just want to get the DN, POC, and the monthly, the weekly negative power control too. Alright. Do we have any fingerprint there? Should have loaded this before anyways. So let's add some few volume in here. Let's pull the retracement tool here too, and okay, well, the targets are pretty clear, to be honest. Let me just load this up. Yeah, nice. So we do have a fingerprint here. Yeah, well, match with the target I wanted to share really. That will be simply here, so a swing for a pound really of this. We have really up to these highs. That will be even better as always to take really all the stops. That will be really, so the first target all of this. Okay, the first resistance. For example, we can look, you know, for if we have to make the WXY I was talking about, WX and then the Y wave, well, we can look for example, a bearish reaction in there. But again, I want to see Bitcoin being bearish at that time for a short trade, or getting a short trade setup. Now, if we don't get anything bearish of this, we can look for the 61866% plus the path control. Well, this is not a crazy... Oh yeah, by the way, this is a nice resistance still, because we've got this very lovely Valera high before. So that was a support. So it's not really well placed because we're under 1 hour, but it was a bit above, and that was a support really. And so yeah, it matched with the resistance there. So this is the second one, and then we'll have simply here, so the daily level really, plus the swing through pan here. Okay, so this... There you go, we have the 3 resistance, 786, we don't really care to be honest with you. Let's just skip this. and do we have any volume level below so I can duplicate this? It's not locked, no. There you go. Gotta clean this later, but anyways. Good, so yeah, these are the resistance for the X wave if we have to make the X wave. So now, RETIK, we've got a massive crash on this, to be honest with you. I've checked it personally on my side, this stuff there. We've got many crypto that was, how can I say that? That was planning to do some cards and stuff like that. I'm normally never checking the project. But I was talking about this with Elliott, the moderator on the Discord server, with card and stuff, with cards, you know, with debit card, with crypto and stuff like that. It was looking promising, to be honest. But well, the premise we've got, so it was twice before I checked some few videos and stuff like that, twice, maybe even more. Well, same project, and well, it failed all the time really. Here we don't even know the people behind this. They hold it's like a really big part of the market with the market makers. So I mean, we don't know the people behind. The people are just saying it's a big scam. I mean, 99% of the people. So to be honest with you, I'll be a bit careful. And for example, if we really have to invest in this, I'll wait really minimum for the Valera low here to be reclaimed for a sign of strength. Maybe I'm wrong, you know, maybe I'm wrong, and this, for example, is a wave coin in that case. You can, for example, start to invest in this. If we have to make the new low, this is a target below, so feel free to do whatever you want, really. But I just want to say, be a bit careful on this. I think maybe I'm wrong and we're going to absolutely moon, but yeah, I don't know. I will not invest until we really started to reclaim this Valera low path control. Before this, these are just some pump and dumps to take your money really from the market makers, and the market makers are the guy behind this really. So it's just people taking money from you. Not really fair, to be honest with you. Yeah, so we'll just ban this really from my list. Turbo is coming well into our target. As I said, we are now on a bit of a bigger time frame. You can see we start being on this nice blue 1, 2, 3, or 5. So when you start being in this, you do not look. I mean, it's possible to bounce from the 20.6 MCF, but as I said, I'm gonna wait for the 38.2 minimum. Now we're into the target. Well, you know what it means, right? That's it. We look for the wave 4, then we look for the wave 5. As simple as that, really. So yeah, these are the outs I'm looking at the moment. Maybe I will add some more later, I don't know, but for the moment these are the ones I'm checking really mainly. And now let's go on your request. So it was a bit long. I say it was not supposed to be so long, but anyways. So let's go KP. This I will check, but I'm not sure. These are some crypto. More of a drop. Well, I can do a count of the wave down if you want. It's fine, mate. There are always opportunities. Like JASMY. Well, turbo like this. Well, yeah, turbo with a wave 5, but I mean, it's gonna take maybe a bit more longer, to be honest with you. We are in some bigger wave now, so we can spend some more time to complete that wave 4. Well, people maybe we spend an hour's time now. The thing is, we want to see Bitcoin bullish to get a rise. So this one, for example, we can look for a 30% increase in price minimum for a new high. Core also, if we manage to get Bitcoin bullish. Ethereum also, if we manage to get Bitcoin bullish, we can get a nice other increase in price here. There are a few ones here, to be honest with you. Ethereum, I just covered this a few minutes ago. If you just have to go past in the video, really. So yeah, let's go with KAP. And thank you, mate, again so much for this. So let's go there on the Alts section, KSUSD, and oh well. Wait, KAP? Oh, okay. Well, I'm stupid. I know that one. But KEP, but why the fuck I... Wait. Oh yeah, no, I'm stupid. Oh, no, I was thinking about kaspa. No, absolutely not. K, it's here. Yeah, we're thinking about the other one, but anyways. No, wait, I'm lost in the thing here. Is it cast like this? No, it's KAP. Jeez, it's here. Alright, there we go. Well, yeah, there we go. We've got an ABC zigzag completed, right? Can only be away 3, 4, 5 here. So this is definitely not this, but an ABC zigzag, and so we'll just finish it the 5 ways like this, simple as that. We've got a nice increase in price from the target last time. We talked about a nice, 69%, that's pretty cool. And so now, well, let's get rid of this. We don't care. Went into the max target of the wave 5 here, you can see. And so here, well, we can simply look for a longer wave 2, really. Okay, like that. Just gonna remove the wave visible. Gonna hide them, and gonna change this to add something a little bit bigger. Where is the low here? Okay, so W, X, and just one more new low, really. But yeah, I mean, to be honest with you, there are much better, much better coins. Well, the one I was showing you before didn't even look at that. I mean, this is just terrible. So for no, yeah, this is very complex to say. For example, here this is a wave 2 or not, simply because here, if these are some 5 waves, correction 5 waves, as placed here, it can be an A, B, and a C. So if I have an ABC here, well, we can just massively crash and go just to 0. That's also, this is placed here, but it's the second configuration, really. So that can be a WXY to go really below the previous low and just crash, really. That's it. And now it looks like we'll have more likely some 5 waves down. We've got a wave 1 here, more likely. Wave 1, wave 2, and now we are in a wave 3, 4, 5. And as always, if this is a wave down, we cannot finish with the 5 waves. We'll have to get an A, B, C. Or this is of course an ABC like this. There is no wave 4, 5 in that case on a lower time frame, but yeah, let's take more of this, to be honest. There we go. Well, this is a count. Well, now we need some more data here to plan some targets below. Nothing more to add on this, to be honest with you. Let's check. So TX20, I don't know what this is. TX20. Okay, you know, these are some cryptos. Which one have the oldest data? The same, really. This is really crazy. I mean, the charts are different. Like the waves are literally the waves are a bit different between the exchange. This is again. I mean, look at that. We have some kind of close. Look at this top there. It's made on the right, and here it's made on the on the right too. But we have something a lot less bigger. But this again, for example, is something I'm probably not going to trade. Well, there are some scam weeks everywhere. Now the good thing is that we've got some 5 ways up. Well, it's impossible to. Wait. Gotta check where is the low here. It's made B. Look at that again. So where do we start? Do we start from here or do we start from here? That's the question here, because one is on the left, one is on the right. So I have no idea. That's a prime research coin. Look at this. Well, let's take it from here, right? I'm not gonna spend too much time on that, to be honest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, the smaller waves don't even look like some 5 waves, to be honest. Have more likely some triple wave all the time. So does it looks like an impulsive, to be honest. I'll class this more. Let me see without the log scale here. Well, I'm gonna take this as a double XY XNZ personally, because like this. But again, can you rise with this? Yes, it's possible. For example, if we make a bigger WXY stuff like that. WXY. Oops. Like this, for example. But yeah, I mean, yeah. Volume is well, still a bit bigger than the price. I mean the buy. Yeah. Well, yeah, this is what I'm going to take personally. Well, I'm not gonna spend too much time on this because, well, this is not a good one. I mean, to be honest, I'm not gonna trade that. USD. Let's see if that one is better. Okay. So what is this? Oh well. What? What I did? Fuck. Don't know what I've done. Anyways. Nice. Okay, let's take that one. Well, I'm not gonna keep that just in case. This one is also fucking on a lower time frame. Need to verify some few stuff. Wow, that one is crazy. Let's remove this one and the last one here. Well, again, it's the same as before. Do we have a low starting here? Or do we have a low starting here? Because on this, for example, we can class this as a leading and expanding a leading 1, 2, 3, or 5. So we do have a bigger wave 1, 2. So that will be in that case a possible bigger wave 4. Or if the low is here, well, this can be, it can change everything for the targets next, because a wave 1, that will be a wave 1, 2 like this with a double DXY, for example. So the extension to pull will be completely different. But I mean, even that, look at this, we have a wave 3 here, and the other one is doing a massive wave 3 here. I mean, these are some stuff first, where I'm never going to trade. Well, yeah, let's take that one. Well, it's very complex to do some TAs on this. Well, let's check the RSI here, what it says. Three, four, five. Because yeah, it looks like we've got just struggled to start the car here because we have some scam weeks everywhere. So it's really like, do we have a full wave 1, 2, or do we have a leading wave 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2? Change everything next. Well, I'm gonna make it very simple. Okay, I'm gonna also take this, really, we don't really care at the end if this is a wave. So, starting from here, wave 1, wave 2, so it's either a wave 3, 4 now, and 5. Really complex to do a smaller wave count with a smaller wave we have. But it's either, so this, either if we retrace a bit bigger, so to speak, if the wave 4, for example, is invalidated on the RSI, okay, if we manage to retrace bigger here, I will take this more as a wave 2 and take the 5 waves completely inside. Sorry, so to speak here, like that. Sorry, wave 3, 4, and then a wave 5. So if we do this, well, in that case, you know, bigger wave 1, 2, or ABC as always. So bigger wave 1, bigger wave 2, 3, 4, 5. But again, am I going to trade this wave 2 here? Or, well, personally, no. And or an ABC as always. So A, B, C. 5 waves correction, 5 waves really. Wait. And let's move this like that. Okay, so this will be the count if we retrace more, if the first wave 4 is not holding. If now it's a wave 4, so it just come back there and we'll do the job like this. If this is a wave 4 here, we can simply so take the extension tool. Well, take the wave 1 route here, click first there, second click wave 1 top. Yups, and the third click will be on the wave. Oh yeah, I'm on the log scale. Well, we'll need a smaller wave for this. In any case, this is a target if we have to be into a wave 4. Let me just show you this. Well, yeah, we're already really low, to be honest. That is the buy zone ready for a wave 4 if you wish to buy this. And I mean, bet on the wave 5 next. But yeah, don't forget, there are much better coins to trade than this, to be honest with you. So yeah, that one is done. The other one was AITECH, I think, if I remember correctly. Yes, AITECH, so let me see. Alright, well I guess we've got the other configuration now. Didn't got a leading here to the upside. Let me see, where is this? Well, I have some TAs, but it's not in there. Maybe 5 tech. No. What the fuck? Well. Alright, I don't know why it was not showing it here. Yeah, I found it. I don't know why. Anyways. Alright, so I didn't show you the other configuration we can see here. So we didn't got any wave 4 there. We've got the retrace from there, but nothing like that next. Let me just remove all this. So what we've got there. Let me see, where is the low? That might be a C wave, so here like that with an ending in there. With I guess a massive extension here for a wave 5 into this, so wave 3 took 4 and a massive extension there for the wave 5 with a massive extension there into the wave. Does it make sense to get this? 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, maybe more like that, yeah. 3, 4, 5. Yeah, RSI made a new high here, so for example, normally you take this line in the time as a wave 3. Well, yeah, that'd be the count with a big extension in there, but that will be a wave 4 here in that case. And so yeah, that's an ABC in that case, not a 5 waves up, so ABC, and then well, if we have to make something bigger here, it's simply a double XY, for example. So let me just move that better, perfect. Pink, let's make this white. There we go. And then if we have to make something bigger, well, double XY really. W, X, and Y. Like that. Just gonna make this a little bit smaller. There you go. And so, well, to plant some turrets here again, we'll need a first move down, a second move up, a second move here, and then a third move to pull the extension tool from the top to the bottom to the top to get the third wave target there. So for now it's too early, but just remain patient and to trade the coins. They're better to trade at the moment. So yeah, FLOKI, let's go on FLOKI, do a smaller wave count of this. Trading, oops, FLOKI there. Let me just load the order flow real quick. Order flow, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, there you go. Okay, we don't have the divergence for a possible wave 5. This is not breaking the wave 1. Well, sorry, it looks like a possible leading if this is not, oh well, 1618, okay, so, well, yeah, impulsive more likely in that case. Wave 3, 1618, well, yeah, this is definitely... Well, the shape is kinda weird, not gonna lie, the wave 4 is a little big. Yeah, I mean, normally it should be this, because these are some 5 ways down for sure. Yeah, okay. Oh, that's okay, by the way. didn't, well, stop it between the 30 to 50%, but these days it's fine to do this. Okay, well, yeah, I'm gonna take this as a 5 ways down, so wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's crazy, look at how it touched the 16188 here to the dollar, and bam, reject. Look at that. Touch it, bam. Minus 23%, jeez. So if we have a 5 ways down here, well, we are in a wave 4 normally, or in a massive crash, it depends if you see wave top. But if we have some 5 ways down, well, it simply means that we have, next, if we look for a correction, oops, well, we can look for if we really have to do something massive, okay, to the downside, really after receive, we get a massive crash. We can look for a bigger wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, forming later. I'm gonna change the color of this, forming later, a bigger A and B, C, which really in case we do a massive crash. Otherwise, for the moment, we can look for a simple A, B, C zigzag here. So A will be a retracement when Bitcoin is ready for a bounce, and then a C to the downside, really. Yeah, more likely. And if we don't, for example, manage to get anything bearish on Bitcoin, for example, Bitcoin get a really good long trade setup in there, we manage to bounce and do the breakout of the triangle, for example, it's gonna pump on everything, so we might get, for example, higher prices again on this, and so we won't get any B wave. So it means that this was in that case more likely for me WXYXNZ, but I struggle to place this simply due to the last wave that have 5 waves. And for example, if this have to be a double EXY, the Y wave reached the max, a crazy target here for an extension, so it's also less probable to make an extension like that. So that's why I'm classing this as 5 waves. Now, is it impossible to make to make something else? No, it's not impossible. You can absolutely do something else, but well, this is the most probable, I'd say, at the moment on FLOKI. If we have to take some few resistance there, we can go on the levels, by the way, really quickly. FLOKI is here. Let's go on the level chart there, and let's see what we have. Okay, so let's just zoom out, load this fixed range, add the fixed range here, like always. Pull the same stuff there, go on a daily time frame, add the levels, so to speak. This one here, daily. Alright, do we have any weekly stuff like that? No, monthly, by the way. Tomorrow, oh geez, tomorrow, new months, it's tomorrow? Yeah, tomorrow we're at 31. Okay, so let's come back on the good time frame. Zoom out again to the previous fixed range. There you go. So, well, yeah, the first resistance. Let's remove this. And let's remove the, no, this. And let's see now the levels. So this is not completed, this will be below. We don't have any DNPOC here. Do we have any fingerprints? Yes, but 0, 26, 7. So we don't care. Okay, let's come back on the order flow. Here. So we have, well, this is a first resistance, really. Okay, with the value arrow here, really, and weekly, and 50%. If we manage to get acceptance above this, we can look for the wall thing here. And if we get acceptance above that, we're simply going to go for a new all-time high, really. Because, well, we shall break that top, and then the pre-stop is there, so it's more likely a new all-time high, to be honest. Yeah, 0 to resistance, where we can look for a short trade. That'll be simply for the B wave, okay, to be in. So either here, around there, either in the secondary plan. One of these two, really. Yeah, here we go. Cas. So this is kaspa this time. There you go, it's here. Let me see what we've done here. Well, again, we're on a very good time frame here. So normally you do not start to invest to the 23 on 6, 31, 32. You wait really for this buy zone here. Okay, and even you can add a 6.86%. So this whole thing here really is the buy zone more likely. This can be removed now. This can be removed. Yes. This can be removed. And yeah, now let's just see if this is still valid on. Well, no, it's not, but it's fine. Yeah, I mean this is a buy zone, you know. So now we just need to wait for Bitcoin to bounce. And it's gonna bounce too. Why is that here? Let's see here what we have on the smaller waves. Do I have the levels for this? Cool. I have the order flow and stuff. No. It's available on Bybit. Yes, good. I don't have it. Alright, so let's see here. We've got a first drop here with a lovely extension. Do we have anything a bit better than this? Because, oops, sorry. Coinbase, for example, no. This one is a bit better normally. They're all fuck it, to be honest. So let's come back on the good one. Well, yeah, I'm gonna take this. So W X and a Y. So that's something wave here. Now the thing is, we need some 5 waves up to get a rise. We're in a massive higher time frame wave 4 or a massive drop depending on the but if this is a wave 4 first of all, we need to take this. We can spend some time there, to be honest. But let's see here if we have the 5 waves up to start that. How is it looking on that one? Well, these are some crazy 5 waves, but like wave 1, 2, 3, 4, massive wave 5 for a leading with a 5 waves in there, of course. Then looks like we have well, something also crazy here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and a massive wave 5 again here. And for now we do have the 5 waves up here too. So yeah, that can be classed as a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 leading. And so after this, well, it's very simple. We have what? Either an ABC, so A, B, C, and so a longer wave 4 to make, for example, here a bigger W, X and then a Y wave to just make a longer correction really into the wave 4. Either it depends here how far this is going to go. Either so this ABC, either here, I'm gonna leave it by the way and just remove the waves. Red. So either this, either a wave 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and we go for the wave 5 really. Depending on what Bitcoin, for example, is going to do. This. And so in that case, the wave 4 is in. We can look for the wave 5 there. But I'm not going to plan the targets yet, we really need to see the rise coming for this. So the targets on that will be, I don't have the order flow, I mean the footprint chart yet on that, so I'm not going to do the levels now. But, where is the top? Well, we can simply look for the best target here, so 38.2, 50%. 31 to 50%, 61 is 86%. A wave 2 as always have 73% chance to retrace between the 50, 61 is 86%, so between the green and the yellow fibs. Now the thing is it a wave to rugby wave? We don't know, so we can rebet on only this. And then we'll have the 7x6. So these are the 4 targets really. Okay, the 3 targets, sorry, and this. For a B wave, these are the same targets really. Just the probabilities are a bit different, but they're the same targets. So yeah, and now we can just do the levels on your side, or I'm gonna do this later really on the Discord server. I'm gonna pause this for example. Yeah, I'm gonna. Oh, it's here. So request. And so it's CAS levels. Let's remove this. And yeah, good. We're done with that. So let's name it wave 4 and let's see what we get next. Either an ABC, either an impulsive really. Well, wave 4, 5 at the end. There you go. Beam. Yeah, sure. Do I have this? Wait, if you don't type the exact name, you don't. Oh, okay, so that's for the reason why I wasn't finding the. Okay, it's a bit stupid, not gonna lie. You type BEA, you don't find it, you add the M, what the fuck is this? Well, anyways. Let's check very quickly what is this. I can't remember. Beam. Oh, what a lovely bloody Bitcoin. Okay, well, yeah, we just went back into our first target, right? And got a bounce from here. 50% there. We've got a retrace and bam. Now the thing is, do we have some fireways up before? Not really, because we've got, you know, the first triple wave down like this. That was by the way WXY here. We can add this WXY. And there you go. Now the thing is, we need to find out what was this first rise. Is it a triple wave like this, or is it a 1, 2 like this with an ABC flat, for example, a WXY like this, for example. That is what I have to find. And we do have some fairies up there, so I'd say it's more likely a WXY there, because otherwise it doesn't make sense. For example, if that's a wave 1, 2, I mean, why will get 5 waves up there? Because we need to get a correction here. So we need to get, for example, an A, B, C flat, or a WXY. This, in any case, is a correction. So we cannot get a 5 waves here if we have to be in a wave 1, 2 like that. If we have to get 5 waves, it means that we'll have a 5 waves correction, 5 waves. Or a wave 1, 2, 1, 2, but we took the wave 1 route with the second wave to here, so it's not valid. So the only configuration possible here is an ABC zigzag. And so if this is an ABC zigzag, it's not 5 waves. So let's put this here, bam. Let's make this X wave longer. Well, we can be in the Y wave, to be honest. We can get a correction in the Y wave. So, but let's move this like that. And so, well, this is simply a WXY, and normally W, X, and Y. Let's go with some pink waves. Pink. And that was a triple wave, we don't really care what. But I'd say a WXY. Yes. No, an ABC zigzag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more likely, and then 1, 2, 3, or 5. Because Y is next, it doesn't make sense. Bam, A, B, C. And so here, what is this? The top, okay. Here we take the low. Yes, okay. Well, this for the moment for me looks like a WXY, to be honest. But don't forget, we cannot finish a Y wave with a WXY. So normally we should make something like a WXY XNZ or something a lot more complex, such as a triangle, ABC flat, all this kind of stuff. Really gonna show you. But oh, Bitcoin is going into a target. I have to take profit maybe there. So WXY cannot finish like that, so we can look for a WXY X and Z, for example, to finish that white wave. So this we can look, if we do a WXY only, we cannot finish the white wave like this. So for example, if we do only a WXY, we can look next for an A, B, C flat to complete this white wave. If we do a simple WXY like this, and for example we start retracing like that, next we can also look for an A, B, C, D, E triangle. Sorry, WXY in that case done like that, and so we have in that case a triple wave, and so that brings us with a bigger WXY. It will not be a triangle in the X, because that will be a WXY with a triangle. Well, all of this is possible. The problem with such asset, when you have some correction like this everywhere, the full count is a correction. So, well, many configurations, to be honest with you. But yeah, it looks really massively bullish. Again, these are not the best waves, not the best stuff really, so I'm not trading this. So yeah, well, this is the wave count really on this. Chat is there. I'm good, mate. What about you? It's been a while, yeah. Sure. GARI is in the watch list. Not in there, by the way. But I will add it. Where is GARI? Yep, there we go. Well, to be honest, I really don't think that we're going to get this push up. The last time it was there still, so there is not much to update. We have an ABC here to the upside, this is a correction to go more down. So, well, we either take that one and reclaim directly. If we don't manage to reclaim directly at bottom, we're gonna take the previous one here. So, but again, this chart here looks for me is the same as the. I mean, yeah, I mean, that's it really. Yeah, so that is the update really on this. Not much to add on, to be honest with you. But I don't think we're going to make this rise, to be honest. Yeah. Again, there are much more better hours to trade on this. And if we do take the lows, wait. That's why. Well, that would be again a complex stuff, because there will be a double XY here with a double XY, so we'll make a longer correction in there, because that will be here. So an ABC zigzag will have first, but so in a Y wave. But if we do take the lows, it means that well, this was an ABC zigzag, a quick move up here, and so in that case we'll have a W XY again, can a Y wave, so this red Y wave finish with a double XY? No. So it means that next we need to get anything except a double XY, so we can make a double XY X and Z, for example, to finish that Y wave. We can make, as I said before, a triangle, we can make an ABC flat, we can make tons of different stuff really. We can get, so here, an A, B, C flat to complete this Y wave. We can get a triangle here, so to speak, a W, sorry, an A, B, C, D, E, a lovely range bound, and next is going to push high, yes, but well, we need to spend all the time for all of this. Well, we can get a nice amount of configurations, to be honest with you. So yeah, in any case, this is a target below if I have to go below. Now it really all depends if we manage to reclaim directly that low or not. If we don't manage to get a swing through upon refill, look how this is gonna go for the next one. And so the next target is this below, if we have to go more down really. So yeah, that's it really for this one. But again, well, yeah, don't forget, there are much better coins to trade on this. Well, the thing is, when you start seeing some scam wicks everywhere, some stuff like that, it's, and you see this also, something on like that on an asset, and it never came back before. Yeah, it's not good, to be honest. You might get some pump and dump and stuff like that, some bull run, but I think well, it's a lot less probable you come back at such price, to be honest. You just can get some pump and dumps. Even on the lower time from here, you're still bearish, you still have the low, lower, low, high, lower, high. You need to switch to high, higher, high, and low, low, high, low, and again high, low, high, low. Switch all. But anyway, anyways, already said I think the last update. Yeah, so this is the GARI update really. Well, I'm gonna remove this last wave, to be honest. All depends if you manage to hold that bottom or not. So yeah, that's it really. BABYTRUMP. What a nice ABC zigzag to the upside. A, B, C. There you go, the count is done. Yep. As simple as that, really. Or this is a wave 4. I mean, looks pretty massive for a wave 4 at the moment. So a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a wave 5. In that case, it's bullish. But for the wave 4, you need to get, well, you cannot go really more down, to be honest with you. You really just need to hold the 6-1 SC6, but if you don't do this, this is definitely not a wave 4 anymore. Oops. A nice amount of longs topped out here. No absorption, just some liquidations, trade gains topped out, still some pure shorts now. Yeah, got 2 million still shorts down there. No longs defending yet. No reason to long really at the moment. Look at that, it's just a red. Where are we? Oops. Okay. I already have another, no, okay, so let me just place that down here, and well, just in case we reclaim, because I'm on some other assets, so I can't recheck the order for all the time. Oops. Yeah, so pink. Well, yeah, this is the last chance really for another increase in price. If we manage to hold this, for example, I don't know if you have enough money to move the market, I don't know what, well, this can bring us with a wave 5 next. Now there is no one defending here, it's just, well, there's nothing really to do, we're just going to crash, and well, next again, it's same as for the other coins, the bottom is there, so the premise, yeah, the bottom is there, so the premise next, well, is, it can go, it's a correction in any case, we can go below here. We can also make a double XY. There is a tons of configurations. I mean, either a massive crash, either a bigger correction like this double XY. I'll let you do the levels and stuff like that. Personally, I'm not going to trade that. But yeah, these are the two counts in any case. A, B, C. In that case, there is no way for N5. Now, if we manage to hold this X1 86%, we, for example, start to bounce from here. We get a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, with this, you can expect next either to do an ABC, so still a correction to make, for example, a bigger one like this, but still a rise. You can still ride this third wave here, or, and bet with, when you ride this, bet on this wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, if we have to make this wave 5 next. So I think do not try to catch a falling knife, just wait for some 5 waves up to be made, really. Okay, so here, for example, we have some 5 waves up, 1, 2, 3, 5. Now the best to wait for these first small 5 waves to be here. So just watch out if you make these 5 waves or not. If not, well, let it go really. There's nothing interesting to do on this. That's it, I'd say. Yeah, that's the TA for this. MYRO, yes, of course. Let me see, I'm just gonna get rid of this. Do I have any... Okay, it's already there. So, is it in the M or is it really all the way down? No, it's here, nice. Nice, but do I have some weight on this? Looks like not. Okay, let me see. How do you type this? You write this? Okay. Let me see if I check at this. Okay, there are no any on this there. Okay, so let's well, same as for the other ones really. W, X, Y, high time frame like that. Well, that was a double X. Yeah, that should be a double XY first. Yeah. Where is it though? Sorry. WXY. Why a WXY here? Simply because this for me is a 5 waves correction. 5 waves 1, 2, 3, 4, massive extension to the wave 5 with the wave 1, 2, 3, or 5. So ABC zigzag here, and then again we have this. I don't know exactly how it just start there, but an AB, and then this looks like an impulsive. To be honest with you, we have, for example, here I was thinking about a wave, full wave 1, 2. You have a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, can make there 5, and then you have in that case another. So this complete away 3, 4, 5, like this. So we have an ABC, like that. So WXY first. Well, then we've got a triple wave down. We don't really care about that. Let's see here what we have. We have an extension, okay. Alright, we now have some few longs defending, that's pretty cool. Yep, we've got some few longs, so now if for example we manage to get acceptance above the DNPOC, I can bring us with a bit of an increase in price. The best of the best way really to wait for these lows here to get acceptance above that. Depends how aggressive you want to be really. But you do have some few good long data now. Just need to get acceptance above a bit more with no swing for a part of this. And manage to reclaim this DNPOC really, otherwise no long and these ones will get wrecked. Here. Well, yeah, I'm gonna take this as a wave, so either an A, B. C with an extension, with an ending with a smaller wave affiliating, so wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, it can just be an ABC to be honest with you. That was a double EXY by the way, the last wave of a triple wave, so it's a double EXY. As we don't retrace 90% cannot be a flat. So yeah, in that case, that should look more likely something a bit bigger here. Because normally, if this is a leading, for example, you know, so sideways correction, sideways, the wave 3 here cannot get an ending like that. It has to get an impulsive only. It can only be an impulsive. So that's the thing. So yeah, more likely in that case, a W, X, and a Y. Perfect. I'll just place a little bit better. Pink. Let's go with daily time frame. There we go. Nice. So here W root to find the target is W bottom, X wave top, and it's not really accurate to be honest, but well, the big zone. Yeah, there you go. That is a buy zone if we have to make one more new low. Now as always, the thing when you're in such chart here, when you're in such correction everywhere, because the thing is, an X wave can break the A wave root, the W root, sorry, so to speak. We can do, or an ABC flat, for example. We can do here, if we have to really be bullish, for example, we can make here a bigger W, X and Y like that, and just rise with such with such waves, okay, and that will bring us with the next wave here that brings the W roots. That will be simply something longer like this in the X wave. So I mean, if we have to rise, for example, it's absolutely something possible. That will be with something like this. Again, it depends of the support we hold here. I don't have the levels for this at the moment. And by the way, yeah, we cannot go below here. So well, for example, we can go with the monthly and weekly level really quick. Yep. Monthly. Oh, we've got a front run of that. Yes. Weekly. Just gonna duplicate that and put it here because I like to get everything. This one is hit. This one is valid. There we go. Now the thing is the volume or respected on MXC? I have no idea. Let me see. No way, we did touch it that to the dollar. No. Well, yeah, I mean, this match perfectly the target, to be honest with you, I've planned. yeah, that is okay. Let me just try to find out some support down here. If we have to make, for example, such X and Y to the upside, try something above. Okay, so okay, well, it looks respected, to be honest. So, bam. Yep, there you go. Daily. It will be cool here, really cool to get a first wave down, second here, and then to add the third target here to get even more confidence to this. But for the moment, well, if we stay with on this, we can look for this sort of price for the X wave to be made, and then, well, the Y wave like this. If we have to make again something really complex like that. The other thing that is very complex when you start being some double X on the higher time frame usage. Can get so many configurations, and so again there are better coins to trade on this. Yeah, well, that will be the plan, really. Not necessarily looking for this double XY here to happen, just in case we have to do something really bullish here and rise. If we drop directly here, we do not manage to hold this, really. We can look simply for the Y wave down for a longer X into this bison normally. Yeah, that will be the that's it for that one. Just gonna add everything in the good folders. Good look. Yes, this is done. Oops. Targets. Just gonna add this in here. There we go. Okay, in the high time frame waves. Oops. Here we go. Yeah. Okay, he's done for that one. So Bitcoin. Well, yeah, we just need still the same plan to wait for this DNPS to be reclaimed, otherwise new low, and we see what's coming once we took the new low here. Let's do the chat here if there is any more requests. My pleasure, mates. So yeah, let me know if you have some more requests. Otherwise, we're done really for today. 130 minutes, kinda nice. We covered some my trading watch list. We've covered. Let's have a look. Maybe. Wait, just 2 seconds. There you go. We are back. Normally. Yes, normally we're back. There you go. So, coin market cap. Let's see here. Oh yeah, by the way, don't forget there is a $1,000 prize pool contest coming on the, starting in 9 days, starting from now. It's a simple, it's a simple, well, not that simple, but it's a quiz, simply, on the full Elliott wave course. You've got 2 contests before. You have the third and last contest here, where you can win $1,000 divided by between the 3 winners. It's a quiz, really. I'm not logged in. Well, anyways, on the full Elliott wave course here, in case on the, you have the 10 lessons, really, just how to learn that. You have some few, so I cannot, well, let me just log in real quick. Login. Remember. Let's remove that. Refresh everything. There you go. So in the course here you have, so I forgot what I wanted to say. Yeah, so you have the 10 lessons, okay, that are now available. And the thing is, now you've got 2 chartings already, okay. You have the theory, you've got the theory, really, and now I'm showing you how to apply this on the chart. Again, this content is available only for apprentice. The contest is also only for apprentice, so if you want to join, feel free to join. You will get, if you watch more of these videos I've made here, here there, you will get more chance to be, of course, in the ranking, because I'm giving you some experience in addition to the theory, so really get everything, really. Okay, you have some really cool stuff in there. These two here are more based on the impulsive, because well, the 2 was more likely for the with impulsive here. This was more, well, a lot of impulsive, but again, don't forget, most of the coins, well, not all of them you can see here, but most of the coins starting with some impulsive, so it's very important to know this. Anyway, when we rise really big, it's most of the time in a smaller way. For example, if the high temper is not an impulsive, it will be an impulsive. So it's very important to know the impulsive, and more of this is very, 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 very simple, to be honest with you. The impulsive is really not complex. It starts to be complex when you start being this. For example, you have just way too much configurations, so you need to trade the levels, read the order flow, really even more on this. But well, when you see that there is this, and there is, for example, JASMY, where you have some really easy, nice wave, or PEPE coin, for example, all of this. Well, you don't bother anymore, to be honest with you, trying to go on such asset, and well, yeah. But anyways, but if you want to be part of the contest and maybe the top 3, and so you win the prize pool, really, feel free to sign up. Go and learn the course, and as always, if you have any questions, you can go within the apprentice section here, question channel, and yeah, make a list of questions if you want. As always, I'm gonna go and record a Q&A session, upload that on the website, and yeah. So I don't know if you have some more requests to do. Thanks, mate. And my pleasure. Well, yeah, I think we're done. Let's see now if we manage to reclaim this DNPOC. At least we've got some few good bullish data, rising a bit. We didn't go any swing flip out of that yet. We can still, if we manage to get acceptance below here. See, I mean, this is insane. Like, told you it wasn't bullish. We did took the lows next. Then I told you we've got some few bullish data there. And there we go, it's rising. This is as simple as that, really. This is just mind-blowing. Now, yeah, we need to see if we flip to resistance at the NPOC. Or if you manage to get acceptance above. If you manage to get acceptance above, well, you can look for a rise. And, well, for example, all these tops there for a swing for the panel lower time for the naked session, path control. Well, first we'll have the view up, I'd say. Really for the small resistance. Otherwise, naked session, path control, the tops there. Oh yeah, I wanted to go on CoinMarketCap, completely forgot. And next, well, this high important one. So let's come here and let's go on CoinMarketCap. Can I see the other view I was with before? How I got the view before, I can't remember. Trending? I don't know. How you got that view? Oh, there you go, nice. Trending, NOT is still trending. It's right there. Oh, yes, indeed. So, well, not a big wave 1, 2 here. This is a bit too small. I'm gonna take this as an extension in the wave 5. If we don't break the previous top, yeah, nice. Well, now it's a bit complex because the thing is, it can be a wave 4 like that, and then just a wave 5, so it's an extension, of course. So I see done. Or, and this is what I would prefer due to the smaller wave, because this looks like some 5 waves, to be honest with you. In here, yeah, this is definitely some 5 waves. So normally, but we already did this. Okay. Well, there is still a possible wave 4 here to right, to be honest. So like that. Again, let's go with this, because these days is what we like to do. And so a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a really big wave 5, but well. And so in that case, this brings us with a possible 345 on the higher time frame. But yeah, the wave 4 cannot break the wave on top. Well, still it can, by the way. If this is a leading, this is the first impulsive up, so we can do a leading here. It depends if you manage to hold that wave 4 next, but yeah, we have this possible buy zone here on this one. But yeah, be a bit careful still. 3, 4, 5, yeah, that should be done. Yeah, I will not bet 3 on pull 2% on this. This start to not be the highest, the most probable trades in here. I'll risk less than 1% on this, to be honest. Yeah, NOT. RETIK is still trending. The fuck? GameStop. Oh, what? Wait. Wait. This was the thing that was doing some pump and dumps, no, in some group. I can't remember. GameStop, but that was a stock normally. Yeah, there you go. This is so there is a crypto of this now. Because I remember this was, you know, something where you've got a pump and dump. Yeah, look at that. I have some TAs on this, by the way. Oh, jeez, that was... Yeah, look at that. This was the thing doing some pump and dump. I can't remember. I think it was this, a pump and dump. So what was the TA on this? Wow, I have no idea. What is this? Huh? There's some data missing here, no? What? Well, maybe they deleted the data from the pump and dump, I don't know. Because I remember this was doing... There was some massive groups doing some pump and dumps on this. Anyway, so there is a crypto of this now. Nice. Okay. Yeah, that's a double XY to the upside. Not interested into this. Let's have a look at these two. STG, biggest gainers, beam, a year. Oh, cool. Let me have a look here very quick. Nice. So now we will be able to pull this fib for... Yeah, so A, B, C. Let's go with some, well, red waves. Nice. That was the apprentice count. Well, if you was following this, we now have the second wave to then pull the third wave to the downside to find some more accurate targets down. You know, only the fib retracement here. That's pretty cool. We need to see now, because this looks like 5 waves down, to be honest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With the 5 waves in the way 3 here. So yeah, nice. Okay, well, AR. In that case, there is a possible short setup on this. Okay. Well, we cannot really say that we are at support right now. We are definitely at resistance. Okay, let's see with the levels. Again, I don't have the footprint chart for that one. Small absorption up here, but we need some shorts there that we don't have yet. No, we don't have any shorts there to reverse that yet, so we need to see. Because if we now get the demand to reverse this, we're going to end up with a failed auction of this, or a swing through pound depending on the time frame you're looking at. Well, no, a failed auction. Anyways, let's do so just this really quickly. Do we have any weekly? Yes, but it's very high. Weekly, daily. Yeah, I mean, we're definitely at a resistance right now. Oh, jeez. Yeah, we are at resistance. Well, yeah, that's the target really if you want to short that. Red, again, you just need to really order flow in there. Otherwise, the next target is really, well, the 7x6, yep, the 7x6 here, up to the weekly level. That is the second target really. Well, this swing through pound 7x6 weekly level, and if we manage to get acceptance above this, well, it means that this was not some 5-weight in that case. But it looks like for now, so I would say yeah, that there is a possible short trade setup. But yeah, again, I'm not taking my trades like that just because I'm placing this on the chart with some red squares. I'm going and spending some time on the order flow before to take the trade if I have to. But yeah, these are some possible ideas. Just go and check out the order flow really. Yeah, two possible short depending on if we get some bearish. If we don't get any bearish data here, can look for the next one. But yeah, we are definitely at resistance right now. Pretty cool. A year, nice. So the other one was Minu. Let's see. And after these, we are done. Spot. Oops. Okay. Okay, that will be really fast. There you go. I don't like the chart. Brett. ESD. Oh, we already have some TAs on that. Can't remember what this is. And no, we don't have some TAs, by the way. Well. Well, again, this is either an A, B, no, B on the left, normally. Well, let me verify this again. Oh. Well, yeah, on the right then. So we might get... Well, in any case, this is an A, B, C. Maybe one more push-up, or a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is a very low, so we start a new uptrend in that case if we manage to get the 5 waves. Now we need to determine the smaller waves there. So Start here, wave 1, wave 2. But why I removed the fuck? Was this? Yes. Okay, so that's wave 1, 2 like that. So wave 1, wave 2, 3, 4, 5, pink. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so you might get another a wave 4 here if you wish to trade something. 3, 4, 5, and then it will complete the C all the way through really here. Okay, nice. Let me just add some few targets. Yeah, this is BitGet. Let me go on Bybit because... So basically, I'm just gonna do it again here to do BC or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red waves. 1, 2. Yeah, the other thing here, because on this one we don't take the price high, and on this one here we do take the price high already. That's a bit a problem. Yep, that's a bit a problem, because the thing is, in that case, that can be done like this already. Haha. Well, let's still take, because that should be done here, we already have some 5 waves up, so yeah, let's still take the wave 4, but again, so I will not put 2% in this. I will not raise 2% for this because we already took the highs. So in any case, this right here is a target for it. Wave 4, and oh well. Why did I replace it like fuck? Alright, wave 1 route. Wow. Oh, terrible. Terrible. Let me see if the... Because if more of the targets are not following, I'm just not going to trade this. 1618. Oh no, okay, it's fine. Well, this is really weird for the wave 3. Now the wave 4 will be this. Am I going to trade it? Yes, but I'm not going to risk 2% in this. Maybe 0.5, something like this. Not more. It's not a crazy long trade such as, for example, JASMY yesterday. Yeah, that'd be the here impossible long trade setup for the wave 5. For now we don't know the wave 5 target simply because, well, we need to get the wave 4 bottom, as simple as that. When we got the bottom there we can add the wave 5 targets, but for now it's too early. So I'm gonna leave this on the left and, well, see if we get something in there. It's possible, please don't forget to go down to the 50% as soon as, of course, the wave 4. Okay, so we have the wave 1, 2, 3, 4 and then the wave 5. I don't want to see the wave 4 here. Okay, the wave 4 on the other side, breaking the wave to bottom. If we do so, this is definitely not valid anymore and you can remove this long from the chart, really. But yeah, there is this possible long trade setup on this asset. And let's continue now. There is another one and then we're done for today. STG, Target Finance, okay. Swap, nice, we can trade this on Bybit, MYRO this. Well, if the chart is like that, I'm not going to do anything. Yeah. No. I mean, no. Sorry, not gonna trade up. Did I? Okay, no. Well, yeah, we have at least one from the thing here. See what I was saying before? If we get the demand here after the, because we've got this absorption, for now it's good. We don't have the shorts. Look at that. We've got the shorts there, right? You can see here we've got the shorts. Market move down. So this could be, for example, a short entry for a scalp. And now we again have absorption, so it depends if we manage to get acceptance above. But it looks like, by the way, the ticks are a bit too big, not gonna lie. There you go. We do have some possible 5 ways, but we cannot really read this. So maybe here if we manage to get some more, got some few good bullish data, but again, are you into long like directly? But this is 1 minute. Going too long directly here, the answer is no. Why? Because you have absorption. Okay, I mean a passive absorption. And you're still below the DNPOC, so you want at least to reclaim that DNPOC to take a long trade to rate this higher. If you don't manage to do this, and of course you don't want to see a swing flip and a refill auction of this, you want to see get acceptance above this top. Otherwise, well, this is a very aggressive entry, and well, you may be trapped and get stopped out on this. Well, again, you do whatever you want, but that's the way I'm approaching this personally. Well, yeah, we're done for today. Don't know if there is anything now in the chat. Oh, yeah, GALA game. Didn't check that one for a while. Well, yeah, GALA, and then I'm gonna end the live stream. 2-hour live stream already. GALA. Yeah, the problem with this, what I was saying in the last bit was, is it a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? In that case, that can be an A, B, C, or a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, much bigger impulsive up here. Or is this a triple wave, like a double XY first? That's the thing. And to be honest with you, it's gonna rise if Bitcoin is rising. If not, well, it's just not going to rise. If Bitcoin is crashing, it's gonna crash. If Bitcoin is rising, it's gonna rise. As simple as that, really. Yeah, it's yeah, both are valid, to be honest. Still the same problem. Well, in any case, we have the targets below, and now we just need to... well, I don't have the levels updated on this. Oh, I do. Well, not higher, but I do. We stop it at support, that's pretty cool. Well, I can't remember when I have done this, but... GALA. Ah. Wait. Wrong one. Please open on that one here. For real? It's not opening in the right... Okay, yeah, that was planned there. We've got one before the flip to resistance, I guess. Oh no, it was there. We've got a bounce from here. And then the next target. Yeah, well, we've got a bounce from both targets, to be honest with you. That's pretty cool. Oh, well, there we go. We've got a reclaim. And so I missed the long. As I'm live, I'm not trading, but well, anyways. I don't like this as a first move up. It looks more like a triple wave up already, so... well, I'd say trade it with Bitcoin really. For now, it's just totally range bound. Best really to decide if this is a wave 1, 2, 3 or 5 or an ABC really is to wait to see what Bitcoin is going to decide. On Bitcoin we have some more confirmations. We can class this as a sideways or a correction. So it looks really ready. And even to be honest with you, this wave 1, 2, 1, 2 I really struggle to count this as a double wave 1, 2 will take more here and ABC zigzag, to be honest. But well, it's still easy for the moment. Let's keep the same plan. Well, what can I say? You've got acceptance above the previous high. That's a long trade setup. Now enjoy, and that's it really. Simple as that. See how cool is an order flow. You even got the short trade setup. Like I say, we've got some few good bullish data here. If that is if you're super aggressive, well, you know what to do. If not, you wait for this high to be taken. Either a swing flip or a fail auction. No. How you can recognize that? Well, simply by checking out the volume and all of this. So you go here. You have so an increase in price is kinda strong. You have some longs there, you can see. This is pretty cool. Now it was pretty complex to long still because you've got a bit of absorption. That's why you normally wait for this to be taken. Once you took this top there. Well, it came a bit late here, the volume, not gonna lie, depending on the time frame. I think you was checking at this. For example, here you've got a really lovely breakout on the 3 minutes here. You've got a bigger volume than the previous high, a bigger positive delta. Bit of a weakness, but again you've got some longs defending below here, so it's fine. Now yeah, we're at the first resistance, so to speak, the VWAP. And yeah, let's see now what we get. Yeah, the order flow is absolutely insane. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed today's update, the order flow reading, the updates, I mean the wave counts. Well, some coins don't have some crazy wave count, but we cannot get some good stuff all the time. That's a bit of a problem. Don't forget, if you want to learn your waves, you're at the right place. Simply go and check out the MOONCHARTS. You're just gonna reopen that one. The MOONCHARTS, the different website, you have all the details in the description if you wish to be part, for example, of the 1000 prize pool contest right here. It's coming and starting on the 10th of June, coming in 9 days really. I recommend to not join on the due day really, but on the day really join a bit before. Again, if your wave is good, but if you don't know really, you have 10 lessons to learn, plus it's better in my opinion to watch the chartings to really get the theory, and in addition to this to understand how to apply the theory on the chart really from what you've learned. So learn this first and then go and watch the updates. If you watch this first, you won't understand anything because you need to get the basics, and even more than this, you need to know the course really. So yeah, but don't forget that there is this waiting for you here on the website. If you want to make experience with Elliott waves, you've come to the right place. And don't forget also, if you want to, you can join the Discord server. All these channels are absolutely free, except of course this apprentice section, but these are just 5 channels within all of this that is absolutely free. In the materials update here, scroll up a bit, you have some nice recaps really, if I can say, of the 2 trades I took yesterday on Bitcoin. The reasons why. So for example here, if you want to learn the order flow for free, well, you're the right place also. You've got the nice explanations on the reason why you took the long and then the short trade, and yeah, all of this. But anyways, you do whatever you want, just let you know what you have. So yeah, have a nice weekend ahead, because we are Friday, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, I'm always lost in the days. It's pretty crazy. But anyways, so yeah, take care of you, and well, normally there are no more message here. Nope, so I'm gonna close the chat. Yeah, take care of you. Have a nice day. Oh yeah, by the way, before 20, I always forget. We have normally some news today. Yeah, 2:30. Core PCE, personal income, Have no idea. Well, let's set an alert. You know what? I'm gonna set an alert now. It's so let's go with 2:25. And there you go. That will do the job. So yeah, have a brand day ahead. Take care of you, and see you on Monday for the next one, or maybe during the weekend if I record another update. Otherwise, catch you later. Take care. Cheers.